Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video we'll solve this algebraic problem, and it is if a raised to the power 28 plus 1, that is divided by a raised to the power 14, and the value of this term is 23, then we'll calculate the value of a raised to the power 42 plus 1 over a raised to the power 21. So friend, do not forget to hit the like icon. Let's start this video. Now for solving, first of all we'll write this expressions. It is given a raised to the power 28 plus 1, and that whole terms is divided by a powered by 14, and the value of this is 23. Now we'll divide a raised to the power 14 by both the terms, so we can write this term as a power 28, and that is divided by a raised to the power 14. Plus we have here the sign is plus, so we write plus. And now next term 1 will be, here it is 1 divided by a raised to the power 14, and the value as it is 23. So now in the next, here a raised to the power 28, that is divided by a raised to the power 14. We cannot cancel 14 and 28, so it is in the form of power, so we'll write it is in the form of a powered by m, that is divided by a powered by n, and the value of this term is a powered by m minus n. Here we subtract the power, it is n. So according to this formula, we write a powered by 28 minus 14 and plus 1 over a powered by 14 and equal to 23. So in the next step, so the power of a will be 28 minus 14 is 14 plus 1 over a raised to the power 14, and the value of this term is 23. Now moving forward, now the power of 14 we can write a powered by 7 and its whole square. So it is in the form of a powered by m, and it is powered by n again. Then we can write a powered by mn. So here in the reverse we have written the power in bracket form. So multiplication of power. So 7 2s are 14. Likewise, we'll write 1 over a raised to the power 7 and its whole square. And here 1 square is 1 only, and the value of this term is 23. Now in the next is in the form of a square plus b square. So we'll let a raised to the power 7 as a, and the second term a raised to the power 1 over 7 as b. So it is a square plus b square, and the formula of a square plus b square in terms of a plus b is a plus b terms is a plus b whole square minus 2 times ab. So likewise we'll write this term up a powered by 7 plus 1 over a powered by 7 and its whole square and minus 2 times a raised to the power 7 multiplied by 1 over a raised to the power 7, and that is equal to, here is 23, so it is 23. So now we'll simplify it. It is a raised to the power 7 plus 1 over a raised to the power 7 and its whole square, and here a raised to the power 7 and 1 over a raised to the power 7 will be cancelled, so the value of this term will be minus 2, so minus and 2, and that is equal to 23. And now the value of this term, it is a raised to the power 7, a raised to the power 7 plus 1 over a raised to the power 7 will be, so here 23, and this negative 2 will go in the right hand side, it will be positive 2, so 23 and 2 will be 25, and we'll remove this square value, so for that we'll write square root. So the value of term a raised to the power 7 plus 1 over a raised to the power 7 will be, if we'll remove this square value, then it will be plus minus square root 25 is 5. So the value of this term is 5. Now we'll solve this value in the next page. So we'll write this term in the next page as, so here we have copied down the last page information. So now we'll divide this term by 21. So we'll write a raised to the power of 42 plus 1, and that is divided by a raised to the power 21. So now we'll divide it by individual. So it will be a raised to the power of 42 divided by a raised to the power 21 plus 1, that is divided by a raised to the power 21. Now again it is in the form of a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, so we write it as a powered by m minus n. So here we will subtract the powers. So accordingly we will write a raised to the power 42 minus 21 will be 21 plus 1 over a raised to the power 21. So 21 we can write a powered by 21, we will write a powered by 7 and its cube, plus similarly a raised to the power 21 we will write a powered by 7 and its whole cube. So here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So it is a cube plus b cube and we have the value of a plus b. So we'll write this formula in terms of a plus b is a plus b and its whole cube minus 3 times ab and multiplied by a plus b. So now according to this formula we'll write down it here. It is a powered by 7 plus 1 over a raised to the power 7 and its whole cube minus 3 times the a and b, means a raised to the power 7 multiplied by 1 over a raised to the power 7, and in bracket we have a raised to the power 7 plus 1 over a raised to the power 7. Now let's simplify it. It is a raised to the power 7 and a raised to the power 7 will be cancelled, and value of this term here we have calculated is plus minus 5. So we'll take plus 5 here, so it is 5. The value of this term is 5 and it is again 5. So we'll write it here now. So according to this we will write it here. So it is 5 cube. So 5 cube minus, and it is 3 times 5, so it is 3 and the value of this term is 5, so multiplied by 5. So 5 cube is 125 and subtracted by 5 3s are 15. So 125 minus 15 is 110. So the answer of this question is 110. So it is our answer. So friends, this ends for today. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like icon. Thank you.